Essay 1 to Aditya is okay. Hello, सुनाई दे रहा है ना? Can I move ahead?
Ma'am, you can move ahead, but it's kind of
Clear
breaking.
नहीं आ रहा है?
It's
Okay.
breaking.
Okay, I'm sitting in an absolutely empty room. Should not be. Okay. Anyway, we'll start. Fine class. We are meeting up. Long time, almost. You all are facing accidents. Lives. We will move ahead with slides. I'll be explaining simultaneously. Hello, Mohan Gupta. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, it's better now.
Okay. Better? Okay. Fine. So class, we will be moving with the chapter slowly and slowly. Surely, इतनी दूर से जब हम connect हो रहे हैं तो आपको writing थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. But afterwards, I'll be forwarding a homework. You'll have to go to the textbook online और homework करना है धीरे धीरे. I won't be sending you lots of homework, but थोड़ा थोड़ा जितना भी daily होगा, we will try to work on it. Okay. See class, this time which we are losing, you won't be able to gain it again. So don't think it's a huge break and let's enjoy. It's very important we उसका एक term है ecology. Ecology.
Ma'am.
मैम आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
Student.
Whoops. Ma'am.
Loudly. जैसे ही नहीं सुनाई देगा, let me know. Okay? Fine. So we start ahead. This is third time I'm speaking. This is chapter number 13. Okay? और chapter का नाम है organisms and population. I repeat, organisms and population. And NCERT में भी same number रहेगा और same नाम है. NEET वाले बच्चे NCERT से भी पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? If you want to go, it is in textbook page number 297 पे आपको ये chapter मिल जाए. ठीक है class? Now class, as I begin, I'll start with sharing some slides. पीछे मैं बोलती रहूंगी. Okay, I will be sharing some slides. So just give me few sec. I'm sharing the slides.
Organism
and population. Organism and population. Okay. Just give me few seconds. I'm coming back to you. You will find it better with the slides so that you can see also and each word will be visible. That will make it much better. ओके क्लास, अभी चैप्टर का नाम दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड पॉपुलेशन The unit is ecology. Okay, so we move ahead. Whenever you talk and you speak about organisms, you have to deal with many terms which surround them. You are yourself a living organism, correct? In 11th standard, we had topics like cells. So cell was the fundamental and functional unit of life. It was structural and functional unit. फिर हम सेल के आगे बढ़े. There were tissues. A group of cell is known as tissues. हम tissues पे. बहुत सारे tissues की हमने epithelial, nervous, if you remember, muscular tissue. Many tissues which join, they become organs. Many tissues, when they join, they form organ. Let's say stomach. So stomach में बहुत सारे tissues हैं. Cells join होके क्या बन रहे? Tissues join होके क्या बन रहे? Organs. बहुत सारे organs, we will join them and we form an organ system. We form an organ system. Can I say digestive system? So in that, mouth is there. You have your esophagus, you have stomach, intestine, so many organs. Right? Then comes we, higher organism. Directly, सबसे ऊपर देखो आप, organism. आप एक tissue नहीं हो. You are not an organ system. You are an organism. Okay. So this part we have done in 11th standard. Cells, tissues, organs, organ system. We did digestive system, if you remember, excretory system. And now we are at what level? Organism. The chapter starts from the next part. Organism के ऊपर क्या है? What is above the organisms? So let's see what is above. Organisms. So we are not alone. There are many organisms. हमारे साथ birds भी हैं, plants भी हैं, छोटे छोटे bacteria भी हैं. So many organisms. These organisms all together, when they come, they become a community. They become a community. लेकिन बीच में एक word दिख रहा है population. वो क्या है? So look, population is group of organisms. ध्यान से सुनना है. Of same species. It is same species living in a particular area at a particular time. Class 3 words बहुत important है यहाँ पे. Same species living in a specific particular area at a particular time. Suppose मैंने कहा population of India in 2019. So population of human beings in India, human एक species हो गया, India एक area हो गया, fix कर दिया मैंने area. और time मैंने क्या कहा? 2019. Which year? 2019. So this all has to be there in the definition. Suppose I change population of Mumbai, तो population change हो जाएगी. India का figure अलग है, Mumbai का अलग हो जाएगा. That means with area, with time, the population will keep on changing. Population is very, very dynamic. Dynamic मतलब जो बार बार change होता है. Suppose if I say population of some particular area, दादर, तो area fix हो गया. Time मैंने बोल दिया 1920. So we have to go 100 years back. Naturally the population will be different. So species same. Now let's change. Population of tigers in national park. तो अभी मैंने species क्या रखा है? Tiger. What is the area? Let's say Sanjay Gandhi National Park. And then I have to give the time. In the year maybe 2020. Are you getting it? So organisms बहुत सारे हैं, but when you talk about one species together in a area in time, it is population. Now in a area एक ही population नहीं रहती. There are so many organisms. Population of ant, population of cat, population of dog, rat, bat, so many. So together we form communities. Group of populations in a particular area is communities. Class, living organism cannot live alone. We are interdependent on each other. And that's why we always live in community. प्लांट्स, बैक्टीरिया, सब लोग इंक्लूडेड है. Wherever you live, with you so many organisms live, and we all together are a community. Then comes the topmost word, वहां पे दिख रहा है biomes. ये एक न्यू टर्म है. अभी तक आप ये सब टर्म्स देखते रहे, ऑर्गेनिज्म, पॉपुलेशन, बट बायोम वाज नॉट देयर इन द बुक. Biome is what? Biomes are areas with similar climatic condition. The climate is specific. Suppose if I say desert, desert बोला मैंने, तो राजस्थान में याद आ रहा है, ठीक है. बट डेजर्ट सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं है. देयर आर सो मेनी अदर कंट्रीज विद डेजर्ट. सो ऑल डेजर्ट्स will come under one category of biome, the desert biome. Suppose if I say tundra, tundra region आपको पता है extremely cold है, very very low temperature. So there tundra means जहाँ पे भी इतना cold climatic condition है, lots of ice, ice clad है, snow covered है, correct. We also call them as Arctic zone. So they all will come under biome. So biomes may not be nearby each other, but they will have similar climatic condition. And because climate is similar, there will be similar type of organisms. There will be similar type of organism. जैसे हम desert बोलते हैं, तो immediately सबसे famous animal हमको camel आ जाता है mind में. So camel most of the deserts में है, because it is suitable for that. So like that, biomes are areas with similar climatic condition. So class, our chapter starts from here. Organisms, उसके ऊपर कौन है? Population, same species, then fixed area, fixed time. तीनों में से कुछ भी change हुआ, value will change. We go to community, group of population in a particular area. We form community. Community is necessary for interaction. And biomes, biomes are areas with similar climatic condition. Fine. Now class, biomes थोड़ा सा डिटेल में. So let's move ahead. ये डायग्राम हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में भी है. Very favorite diagram for entrance exam also. So you will look at it very very carefully and try to understand. You can see very clearly there are 6 biomes clearly here. Okay, desert, you're reading with me, you can see it. Okay, grassland, tropical forest, temperate forest, coniferous forest, and Arctic alpine tundra. You can call it as simple word tundra. How many biomes we have mentioned? 6. Clearly 6 biomes. They are famous terrestrial biomes. Now class, ध्यान क्या देना? Very very important. 2 important factors decide the biome. One is rainfall. नीचे का लाइन पढ़िए, mean annual precipitation. That indicates rainfall. Average rainfall उस एरिया का कितना है? What is the average rainfall for that area? And on the other side, you can see we are graphically representing it. There is temperature. Correct? Mean annual temperature. What is the temperature of that area? So 2 things, pay attention on only the desert. You can see the mean annual rainfall बहुत कम है. Desert आपके right hand side में नहीं जा रहा है, इस corner में रह गया left side में, क्योंकि if you move to right, the rainfall is increasing. And we all know most of the deserts don't receive lots of rainfall. So the rainfall part is less. So it is at this corner, this side. Correct? You can see that temperature is high. Rainfall कम है पर temperature high है. So it is, see you can almost see 15.6 और 32 के range के बीच में move कर रहा है. At same place, look at the tundra biome, tundra region. वहाँ पे भी can you see the rainfall is less because snowfall are there. But better than desert, it is moving towards the right slowly. And temperature is very low. You can see it is minus में, minus 1.1 दिख रहा है, sub-zero level पे. So like that, all the biomes are affected by temperature and rainfall. Now very important is how it will come in exam. ये सेम पिक्चर दिया होगा आपको और उसमें लेबलिंग नहीं होगी. They will write A, B, C, D or maybe just A and B somewhere. Suppose A, and A is coniferous forest. So you will have to write as answer A is coniferous forest. Suppose grassland को B लिख दिया. So you'll have to remember this diagram. This picture should be completely there in your mind. So 6 biome name learn करने and where are they positioned. Okay. Now you can see a better picture. I've made it more colorful. ये textual नहीं है, पहले वाला picture textbook जैसा था. You can see this way also biome is represented. Okay. So यहाँ पे मैंने temperature और rainfall हटा दिया है, खाली biomes दिखे. ठीक है. There are how many biomes? 6 terrestrial biome. ठीक है. आपको साइड में एक ग्राफिकल प्रिंट दिख रहा है कि दिख रही है ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट, डेसिडियस, ग्रासलैंड, डेजर्ट, कोनिफेरस, टुंड्रा. क्लास जब हम वाटर लेवल पे जाते हैं, सी, पॉन्ड, वहां पे बायोम्स एक्वेटिक और ऐड हो जाए. ओके. बट फॉर आवर टेक्स्ट बुक दिस मच इज इनफ. मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू दीज बायोम्स, टेरेस्ट्रियल बायोम. ठीक है. सो वी मूव अहेड फ्रॉम द टर्म बायो. very important, very favorite question. You can take it as most probably 2021 में जब आप एग्जाम अपियर करेंगे, ये जो सामने है उसके प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चन होने का चांस बहुत ज्यादा. ठीक है. There are 2 terms there, habitat and niche. क्लास वो niche है, नीचे नहीं पढ़ना, नीचे नहीं है. ओके. Habitat, niche. You can, I'm using a different spelling now. NISHE, niche बोलना है. You can even call it as NITCH, niche, वो भी चलेगा, पर नीचे नहीं बोलना. Okay. So look at habitat and niche. Let's see what is habitat. पहले मैं habitat explain कर रही हूँ, फिर niche पे जाएंगे. Suppose you say, Miss, where do you live? And my answer is India. So answer is correct. You cannot say no. Yes, I live in India. But that was not proper. You will ask me, Miss, in India, where you exactly live? So then I'll give you my proper address, building number so and so, road number so and so, flat area so and so, flat number so and so. That is niche. And when I say India, बहुत wide हो गया, habitat. Niche is a very specific address where an organism lives. Now let us look at this biologically. मैंने पहला example बहुत generalized. Understand biologically. Fish lives in water. Habitat is aquatic. What is the habitat? Aquatic. But then aquatic में where is it? It's in pond, lake, river, ocean. Is it a deep sea fish? Is it a top level fish? What area is it? So habitat is very wide term. But if I say this is a benthic fish, benthic, suppose if I talk about starfish, benthic group में आ रहा है. So it's in deep sea. You find them a lot. So deep sea, मैंने niche में चली गई हूँ. Let's look at another example. A tree. Okay, suppose there's a big tree. And we say, where does honeybee live? Okay, it's on a tree. But is it actually on a tree? No, it has made a beehive. Correct? मधुमक्खी अपना एक छत्ता बनाएगी ट्री को अटैच करके. And it is living on a beehive which is attached to a tree. So niche will be beehive. Correct? And habitat may be a tree. Are you getting it? So habitat is very wide. जैसे हमारा घर होता है, हम घर में रहते हैं, लेकिन घर में हमारे लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक लोकेशंस होते हैं जो हमारे फेवरेट होते हैं. मे बी आपकी फेवरेट चेयर हो, मे बी a particular place on the dining table where you sit, maybe suppose mummy, आपकी मम्मी, उनके लिए suppose you are told it is difficult because niche is very specific. But if I have to search your book, only you know in your cupboard where you have kept it. So niche is very उसका function भी आना चाहिए. Look at the definition. A functional space where an organism lives. Functional space means where you live and what you do. Class सुनाई दे रहा है? Can you hear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So where you live and what you do. What you do, understand. In ecology, we are divided only into 3 categories. You can be a producer, means you are producing food like plants, or you can be a consumer, जो हम लोग खुद है. We depend on others, we consume food, correct? Or you can be a decomposer. You depend on dead things, you decompose them and survive. So functional place in niche is fixed. You can be a producer or a consumer or a decomposer. So वहां पे ज्यादा वेरिएशन नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? I repeat, niche is where you live and what you do. What is your function? What is your ecological function? आप क्या करते हो इस इकोसिस्टम में? आप एक प्लांट हो, आप प्रोड्यूसर हो, खुद फूड बनाते हो, और यू किल एंड ईट, यू आर अ कार्निवोर, टाइगर की तरह, और यू आर लाइक अ बैक्टीरिया. सम यू हैव टू बी इन वन ऑफ द प्लेस. हमारी प्लेस कंज्यूमर की, करेक्ट? सो हैबिटेट, निश. नाउ क्लास, हैबिटेट बहुत वाइड होता है. व्हेन यू से ocean, it's very wide, but niche is narrow. It is a specific place. So in one habitat there may be many niche. पेड़ के ऊपर हनी भी है, मंकी भी है, स्क्विरल भी है, करेक्ट? दूसरे इंसेक्ट्स भी हैं, बर्ड्स भी हैं. So they all have their niche on that same tree. So habitat is wide. Niche is always a part of habitat. I repeat, habitat is very wide, बहुत बड़ा है, उसमें बहुत सारे niche. But niche is always a part of habitat, or niche is not having more niches. Okay? It's a small, narrow, defined space. Now class, one very important. If you're an organism, niche is a very favorable place for you. You have decided, I will live here. Means, I will live on leaves. So you have decided your niche as leaves. And for that, all organisms are competitive. Competitive means when we are other organisms to come there, they should not come and interfere. So niche is always a competitive zone. Niche is always a competitive zone. Suppose एक branch of tree पे monkey है, so monkey will see that others should not come, otherwise simply he will lose his place. So it's a competitive zone. Habitat में बहुत सारे, but you don't interfere in my area. So niche is a very, very competitive zone. There what happens, if any other organism comes, the other organism will fight. Both will fight. What will happen? Survival of fittest. Survival of fittest. जो fit है, that will win, and that will live in that niche. ठीक है? Otherwise, you will have to change your niche. If you are a weaker organism, you cannot survive, you are unable to compete, then आप अपना niche change कर दीजिए. ठीक है? So habitat niche. When you open your textbook, वहाँ पे difference के 6 points हमने discuss कर लिए हैं बातों बातों में. Okay? We have said habitat is wide, niche is narrow. Habitat has niche. Niche is a part of habitat. Niche explains function. Habitat में we don't explain function. It is just where you live. Only that much. Niche is where you live, what you do. Correct? Habitat is a postal address. ये लिखा हुआ है textbook में word. And niche is your profession. आप क्या करते हो? आप क्या करते हो? So niche also explains function. ठीक है class? I repeat, textbook में 6 point है difference के, and you have to learn them, and it is one of the most probable question for 2 marks for the next. Habitat and niche. Fine. Now class, niche के detail में जाना है. Type Types of niche. 3 types. Types of niche. Spatial niche, trophic niche, hyper volume niche. I'll explain you. Spatial. Spatial word directly goes as space. What space you occupy, आप क्या जगह लेते हो और कितनी लेते हो, that is the spatial niche. If you look at human population, हम all over the world we are spread. पूरी तरह हमने वर्ल्ड का ऑलमोस्ट हर जोन ऑक्यूपाई कर रखा है. So we are occupying a very large space. But there are organisms who may be occupying very small space. अभी we spoke about honeybee. Honeybee के beehive में 15,000 से लेके 50,000 bees होते. So space is less, but the number may be more because that depends on size of organism plus how much they move. Correct? We live in Mumbai, so we are often not moving all around India. हमारा spatial zone Mumbai. Correct? We rarely move to other places out of Mumbai. So spatial niches, the space occupied, the territory occupied by an organism. Then comes trophic niche. Trophic is food. How do you get your food? So I again repeat, you are making your food, so आप autotrophic. If you are not making, then you are either a herbivore who eat grass. If not, you are a carnivore who eat other organisms. So you are a consumer, primary, secondary, tertiary, higher order consumers. Correct? So that depends on what you eat. Trophic. For food, what are you depending on? So organism may be at primary level, secondary level, autotrophic producer level, decomposer level. जैसे क्रो है, अगर वो डेड बॉडी कंज्यूम कर रहा है रैट की, स्कैवेंजर है, वो स्कैवेंजर लेवल पे आ जाएगा. सो देयर आर ट्रोफिक निश व्हिच इज डिफाइंड बाय फूड. यहाँ पे स्पेस की बात नहीं होगी. ओके, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पेस. हाइपर वॉल्यूम. हाइपर का हमेशा मीनिंग क्या होता है? ज्यादा. व्हाट इज हाइपर? मोर. व्हाट इज हाइपर वॉल्यूम निश? अंडरस्टैंड. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड हाइपर वॉल्यूम इंटरैक्शन. It is also called multi-dimensional niche. Textbook में multi-dimensional word is mentioned. Okay, hyper volume or multi-dimensional. Now understand. Hyper volume is because you live. It's not that you live alone. You interact with others. Correct? You take oxygen, you give out carbon dioxide. So you are interacting with air. Suppose you cut a plant and eat something, that plant is eaten by you, so there is interaction. A tiger eats a goat, there is interaction. So hyper volume is because of your activity, movement, food, others are also affected. So effect of organism on each other and the environment comes under hyper volume, because naturally it will affect so many things. Isn't it? I will affect only a plant? No. I am affecting you also. You are affecting me also. Correct? Is it that all human beings are only eating plants? We may be eating some other organisms also. So hypervolume is a very wide niche. Very wide niche मतलब मेरी एक्टिविटी की वजह से बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स पे इफेक्ट. करेक्ट? क्योंकि ह्यूमन नंबर बढ़ रहा है, बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहे हैं. Because we are causing pollutions, other पे effect हो रहा है, isn't it? So that is our hyper volume activity. हमारी वजह से क्या 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 चीजें affect होती, but same way दूसरे organisms की वजह से भी होगी. Are you getting it? Suppose there are other, or let's say जॉब चल रहा है कोरोना, hasn't it affected the entire world? So उसका volume बहुत wide हो गया, उसका interaction is huge. Correct? So every organism may not have such a huge effect, but surely there is effect, short or less, but it is there, more or less. Hypervolume, multi-dimensional. आपका dimension क्या? आप space से affect करते हो, आप food से affect करते हो, interaction से affect करते हो. You are affecting soil, water, correct? Because of that, others are affected, and all this interaction together forms your multi-dimensional niche or the hyper volume niche. That's why the word interaction is written there. Interaction, because you are not alone. Keep in mind, in this world we cannot live alone. You have to interact. You have to take oxygen. Plants have to take water. Sunlight is going to affect, and all this creates a effect on in and around us, and that is hypervoluminous multi-dimensional equation.
Ma'am,
So there are how many niche? हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए. Hello.
मैम फॉर एग्जांपल अब एलिफेंट
हाँ,
एलिफेंट लेंगे तो वो बहुत स्पेस भी ऑक्यूपाई करता है और कंज्यूमर भी और इंटरेक्ट भी करता है, तो कौन से टाइप का रहेगा वो?
नहीं नहीं, सबके लिए तीनों टाइप, सबके लिए तीनों है, लेकिन हम बात एक की करें. जैसे एलिफेंट बड़ा है लेकिन शायद उसका नंबर बहुत कम हो हमारे कंपैरिजन. ह्यूमन बीइंग छोटा ऑर्गेनिज्म पर उसका स्प्रेड आउट ज्यादा है एंड नंबर बहुत ज्यादा है लेकिन साइज बहुत छोटा है. लेकिन व्हेन आई टॉक लाइक दिस, इट इज अबाउट विच निश? स्पेशल. फूड की बात आएगी तो फूड में आप किसको अफेक्ट कर रहे हो? तीनों को एक साथ नहीं जा रहे. सो हर ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए तीनों निश. आपका एक स्पेशल निश है, आपका एक ट्रोफिक निश भी है. और सपोज आप वेजिटेरियन हो तो आपका ट्रोफिक निश सिर्फ प्लांट्स तक लिमिट हो जाए. करेक्ट. सपोज आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो तो प्लांट्स एनिमल दोनों को अफेक्ट करेगा. करेक्ट. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो इट डिपेंड. जैसे टाइगर है, इट इज नॉट ईटिंग ग्रास, तो उसको अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, लेकिन ट्रॉफिक लेवल. आर यू गेटिंग इट? एंड हाइपर वॉल्यूम इज whatever you do is 100% going to affect what is around you. करेक्ट. सपोज एक कॉकरोच आ जाता है और मैं उसे मार देती हूँ, तो मेरी वजह से कॉकरोच की डेथ हो गई ना. That is my interaction. Somebody is writing on the slide and that is visible. Okay. If I write, it is visible to all. So if you write, that is also visible. Okay. So I don't mind you writing, but please write something sensible. Okay. Fine. ठीक है. So hyper volume कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म की वजह से इंटरेक्शन होता है और उस इंटरेक्शन की वजह से ऑल आर अफेक्टेड. ओके. ऑल मतलब उसके एनवायरमेंट की ओर. सिटिंग हियर यू कैन नॉट अफेक्ट समबडी इन अमेरिका, आपका एनवायरमेंट इधर, बट ऑल थ्री आर फॉर ऑल.
Ma'am?
एट द टाइम यू कैन टॉक एनीवन. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt.
बोलिए.
The meeting time is ending. I'm sending another link.
हाँ जी,
To continue.
बोलिए.
Yeah.
अच्छा, so I have to again join?
Yeah, ma'am. Everybody will have to join again. I'll just send it in like a minute.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, not a problem, not a problem. ठीक. So okay class, this much is very clear. Very clear. It's a 3-mark question.
या
Okay.
यस मैम.
3-mark question. 3 types के निश लिखना है, एक लाइन लिखनी है सिर्फ, and you get your 3 marks. And there is no diagram also. There is no diagram also for it. So it's an easy question. Easy means 3 points लिख के अगर हमको 3 marks मिल जाते हैं तो great, isn't it? That's very nice. But